Hello guys, Money here, and today I'm going to show you guys the best places to EV train. So the best place, let's first do HP. Yeah, HP. If you want you gotta to get to HP. To get the HP, and I would recommend using a module brace too, so that way you can EV train it fast. You gotta go after Fuchsia City. If I remember 14. I think this is Route 14. Yeah, Route 14. You gotta fight Makuhitas, Chanseys, Loudreds, I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all. Now, time to show you attack. If I remember where attack is. Where was attack? I don't remember where it was. Well, I'll just get the defense. To get the defense, you gotta go to Kranglos Cliffs. Right now I have Metropel on, so. You gotta go through here. A spear. If I was a shiny, that'd be a great one. Because I love how shiny Fear looks. It's gold. I like the shiny ones, they're gold. Okay. You gotta go to this trainer. This guy will have... In total, he'll give you like about like 6. Yeah, 6. Oh yeah, and Loudred gives you 2. Clefairy gives you 2. Makuhita gives you 1. And in total, out of all that, out of the defense one, Judo gives you 1, which makes 2. Graveler gives you your Geodude, if you have Martial Brace, to give you 2. What's his name? The Graveler, since he gives you 2, you'll get 4. Trick 6. And Golem gives you 3, which would make... What's it called again? Which would give you 6. That makes 12. So, in all, I think defense is the best one to do, because you can easily get 12 each time. Time for next one. Special attack. To use special attack, by going to Bramber City, you gotta go to the volcano. Let's see if I can remember where attack is in the meantime. You gotta go through here. If you already got the cave, you can go through here. My tablet to check real quick. So to get the, cause this one, since this is weak Pokemon, you can easily do like water Pokemon or Marshtomp, cause Marshtomp gains some abilities which are on. Once again, okay, you gotta go through here. I don't remember where to get. I don't remember though where to actually do the attack ones. It's the only thing. Let me look this up right now. Cause I did attack on my Rhyperior. I just don't remember where. This is actually a good place too. I think Numel gives you one. I think so. Let me look up him quick. I think Numel actually gives you one. Yeah, Numel gives you one special attack. I'll show you the trainer once I get there. But this is where you actually get Heatran. And, oh. Yep, Slugma gives you one. So, in order to get special attack, you gotta attack this one. This guy has, I think, one Numel first, then a Slugma, then a Numel. So that's 6 in total. And now, special defense, then speed. Special defense. Yeah, nowhere to go. So to get special defense, you have to go to Rose Cove City. You gotta go through here. It's through after Rose Cove. Let's see, let me check these out. The trainer has a Linoon. This one's for speed. Wait, no, I'm gonna do the special defense first, because I confused it. I'm just gonna... Oh. Wow, this is actually good. Yeah. Awesome, actually. You gotta go through here. To get special defense, you have to fight the babies. There's no actual trainer for it. You gotta fight. Oh, what are the names called? No, Sawato, go away. Go through here. Oh my god. Even, like, the Master Pel's not gonna work that well anymore. Like, what's the use of them if they don't work? Okay, so the way you gotta go through here, and it's where you get the 5 baby colors to get Sky Shaman. That place, and you gotta fight the babies. What's wrong with that? Okay. So you gotta go here, and over here you find the babies. You can fight these Spoinks. I always forget how much they give you though, so don't trust my knowledge on this. I think my Stormper's maxed out on me. Hoppip will give you speed. Yeah, Hoppip will give you speed. You'd fight the Spoinks, which will give you 1. And the Mach Race will give you 2. The Floettes. Yeah, the Floettes. The Floettes will give you 2. And you do that with the Mach Race will give you 4. So there's yours. There's still special defense. Now, to get speed, you just have to go through the same route you go through to get special defense. You gotta go through here. So you gotta go through here. This guy gives you speed. He has a Pichu, which gives you 1, which with a Macho Brace give you 2. The evolved form of Grovyle. Grovyle will give you 2, which means it'll give you 4 in total. And then Linoon. Linoon will give you 2, which means it'll give you 4, and that means that's 10 in total. There's that one, I just don't remember where the attack one is though. It's the only thing I don't know where the attack one is. Where do you get it? If somebody knows, put in the comment section, because I don't really know where to get it. See. Girl, the attack one is... I gotta look up these guys. What's wrong with my tablet? I don't remember where. Guys, I'll be right back when I know how to get it. Okay guys, I'm back. So the way you get it, if you have Port Deca, you need to go there, because I think I found the right place. Okay, so you gotta go through here. You gotta go to the place where you get Tyrogue. Actually, I might do a video based about. You gotta go through here. You have to go to the place where you beat the construction guys. Through here. Because to where I'm going, they have like Machokes, which gives you 2. Girders give you 2. Timbers give you 1. And Machops give you 1. If only you can find Machamps and Conqueror, I think his name is. The heck? Gotta check that after. Voltorb, I need to check that. Watching something right now. So you gotta go through here. The Tinbell Tower, you gotta go through here. And you gotta go through here. Okay, so you gotta battle like the Machokes and Girders you encounter in Machops and Timber. So Machoke can give you 2. I think I said this already, but I don't care. Chokes give you 2. Machops will give you 1. I should need to find a Girder and Timber. I like the way Timber has his name. I love that. Conqueror, I have no idea how. I know you can find Okay, so you need to find a Conqueror and whatever that person's name is. Timber. Because they will give you Girder give you 2. Yeah, Girder will give you 2 during Oh yeah, Girder will give you 2. Timber will give you 1 because Timber's the smaller version. Girder's the wall form of it. So, okay guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to also turn on the notification bell. I think this is where you get the attack one. Don't trust my knowledge, but look it up. I don't know really know. Guys, here's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the like button. And goodbye, guys.